running to and fro, hard working at the mill, never fail in the mill, yet come a rotten bill. Too much monkey business, too much monkey business, too much monkey business for me to be involved in. Salesman talking to me, trying to run me up a creek, say you can buy it, go on, try it, you can pay me next week. Too much monkey business, too much monkey business, too much monkey business.
There ain't no home like the one you got, 'cause that home belongs to you. I'm a cardinal today. Huh? I swear I saw a... No, it can't be. Well, I'm gonna sit here. Feels nice on this carpet. Hey! Who touched me? Hello? Okay, then. I'm laying down.
Hey look, a little red cardinal. I should say hi to him. Hi there.
Ah!
Huh? What's wrong?
There's a gorilla in my house!
I mean no harm, I'm just...
Ah! Lost. Ah! Don't approach me!
Oh. Now why is he so bent out of shape?
So then I was like, what? The windmill can't talk on its own, you're just making up things. Man, Corn, you have some really corny stories. Ah! 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 Carl, what's wrong? Carl, what are you screaming about? There's a gorilla in my house! What? There's a gorilla in our house! What? That's preposterous! The bombers! The bombs! Get out of here, Crane. Heed my warning. Anyways, come on, I'll show you. Hey guys, look. I have Pepsi. I don't care, we're gonna see the gorilla now. Oh, fine. He was right here. All I see is Crane. Get out of here, Crane. This is where it was. Carl, you are imagining things. Yeah, you probably were. I thought it was real. Talk to the Pepsi. I'm not joking. Ugh. What kind of clown show am I even living in here? Balt, don't bail on me. Oh. Corn, do you believe me? No, I don't.
It's me again. I'm lost. Could you?
Ah! 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 Why is everyone screaming? It's the gorilla! You were right, there is a gorilla!
Hi. I need...
Get out of here! I got the bolt! Man, it's so sunny outside, it's almost nuclear! Crane, get out of here. Bombs, bombs, bombs. It feels so nice out here. But the gorilla's real! Carl, you made that up. Even Corn saw it. What? Carl, you imbecile. He's not joking. There was a gorilla out there. Corn, you too? There was a gorilla. It was creepy and big and hairy. It was real scary. Guys, you're just imagining things. Not if the Pepsi has anything to say about it. What's Pepsi gonna say? Speak up, Pepsi. Pepsi. Come on, don't embarrass me here. Corn, Pepsi can't talk. Darn it. Just come on in here! You gotta go in the house so you don't miss him! Carl! I'm not going inside because of some made-up gorilla. I'm gonna stay out here. It feels really good outside. No, it's hotter than a woodpecker in a pine forest in July. What? Come on, Balt! Nah! Leave me alone, Carl. Corn, what do we do? I don't know. Like, we'll just have to knock him out and drag him to the room. Oh, that's a great idea. Ow.
Oh, what happened?
What? Carl, how did I get inside? The bombers! The bombers! What's his problem? I don't know. Why am I inside again? I wanted to experience the great weather. You're here to see the real gorilla! Yeah, the gorilla! There's a gorilla out here! There's a gorilla! I'm not joking, there's literally a gorilla out here. Yeah. Carl, there's no gorilla! Carl, what kind of scream is that? He's right behind you! Oh, he's right behind me, huh? I felt warm air. It's the gorilla! Gorilla! Balt! Balt, where'd you go? Balt! Speak to me! You were right! I told you he was right! Yikes! He's creepy! Don't eat our brains! Don't eat me! Pepsi needs a role model! Ah! There's nothing we can do at this point. It's all over. We're gonna get eaten and destroyed. Like a chicken. Yeah, we're gonna get torn up. Yeah, torn up. Torn up like a hen that got eaten by a predator for not going in the pan. What?
Hey guys! Hey! Guys, why are you so scared of me?
Because you're a gorilla and you're gonna bash our heads in.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. What? No, don't go near the gorilla. So, you're nice?
Yeah. Well, this is what happened. So I was in a train, the circus train. That's where they, transport the circus to different touring places. And the cart I was in got loose. And it went into the field of some sort, some type of field. And then I was running around trying to find back to the rest of the train so I can get to all my buddies and stuff. And then I just lost my way, so I decided to take residence in your home.
I'm sorry to hear that. Is there any way we can help you?
Oh gosh, I don't know. The circus is probably long gone now.
I know.
You have an idea?
And you're the one who said he was going to eat us. I had a change of heart. Yeah, me too. Alright, you can live here.
Hey, that's a swell idea.
Why can't he go back to the circus? He does not know the name of the circus.
Yep, I don't know the name of the circus or where it is right now, so there's no way to find it that I can think of. I'm glad to live here, though.
Sure. Want to live here?
Yeah.
Okay. See, guys, gorillas aren't all evil and mean. But I thought it was gonna eat me at first, but I guess not. I guess now we have a new buddy. Can he join the gang? No. Aw. Well, see you around.
See ya. I'm gonna go raid the icebox. That's all, folks. Bombs!